have a presentation and demonstration on Mohiniyattam being conducted by one of our curators and the very prominent Mohiniyattam artist, Dr. Neena Prasad. Dr. Neena Prasad is a rare blend of strong footing in academic study with a fine aesthetic sense of a performing artist. She is a pathbreaker in the field of Mohiniyattam who has brought a rare freshness, elevating it to a form of immense possibilities. Her erudite eye for the precision in exploring the traditional possibilities with finis placed Mohiniyattam in a higher pedestal in the contemporary dance creation. Dr. Neena Prasad can be said to be one of the foremost representatives of Mohiniyattam in the whole country. She had undergone rigorous training in 4 different classical styles, they being Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Kathakali from Kalamandalam Sugandhi and Kalamandalam Shemavati, Guru Adyar K. Lakshmanan, Guru Vempati Chinna Satyam and Vembayam Appukutan Pillai respectively. She has also been a recipient to many awards which include that of the Kerala Sangeeta Natak Academy and the Madras Music Academy as well.
Dr. Prasad is an empaneled artist of ICCR of the established category and a top graded artist of Doordarshan. She headed the research department at the Kerala Kalamandalam and also been a member of selection committee for awarding research scholarships and fellowships. She has ventured to choreograph many items both of the Margam and group thematic presentations to widen the repertoire of Mohiniyattam. Dr. Neena Prasad has established 2 institutions, Bharatanjali, Academy of Indian Classical Dances at Thiruvananthapuram and Saugandhika Center for Mohiniyattam, Chennai, where she continues her research pursuits and teaching responsibilities.
Namaskaram, Sadgurubhyo Namah. I welcome all viewers to this dance festival this day, a festival curated by Bharat Bhavan under the aegis of Kerala government. The festival, dance festival, which is in the memory of the great scholar, cultural savant, Dr. Kapila Vatsyayan. I am honored to be part of this festival. I shall introduce the art form Mohiniyattam with a few items, not full but presented to the occasion. As the time permitted is very limited, this presentation will be in a nutshell presenting different facets of this art form. Any classical dance form is imbibed in a traditional way from gurus. As such, I am trained under Kalamandalam Sugandhi and Kalamandalam Shemavati, and I have taken this art form for the past 2 decades and more through my presentations, my performances, my research and my teaching. Mohiniyattam is an art form which has originated from Kerala, one amongst the classical dance forms of India. The art form which is supposed to be an epitome of grace, which embellishes the lasya, the beautiful feeling which the dancer and the onlooker enjoys. The pure dance grammar has this characteristic of Andolika, the beautiful swings and curves which a dancer takes. A Mohiniyattam body attends to different kinds of Andolikas. It can be the Parshva Andolika, the Samaparshva Andolika. It can be the vertical movement, the extension of the body, which is called the Prasaritam, and the Sangojam. It can be the Urdhvam. It can be the Dvaita Vrittam. I shall now introduce some of the basic Andolikas and the feet positions. From the Natyarambha, The feet goes to Chaturashra and to the Aramandalam. The first Andolika is the Parshva Andolika, and when the dancer moves on both the sides, it becomes Sama Parshva Andolika. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti. This is a simple primary movement of Andolika. I shall now take the Dvaita Vritam, which is in the shape of the alpha, or perhaps the 8 horizontally placed. Ta, ka, tak, dim, mi, ta, ka, jen, ta, ta. When the Andolika, the leg moves in a particular direction and the body in the opposite, we call it Viparita Andolika, like this. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, tum, ta, nam. There is also this particular Andolika which has this Prasaritam and Sankocham, extension and compression. Ta, ka, di, mi, ti, ta, ti, ti. These are the few Andolikas which a dancer is introduced as she learns the Adavus. The different compartments, factors of Mohiniyattam or any art form, the Nritta, Nritya and Natya, has a very elaborated structure in Mohiniyattam. Over the years, this dance form has opened more possibilities and potentials in each of these factors. I believe in a Margam presentation, and I believe that any student of Mohiniyattam should show her strength in the traditional format of presentation. And as such, I have chosen some of the items from the Margam structure, and I'll be very happy to present it for you. My presentation comprises of two parts. One is of the pure dance and the second of Abhinaya. For the pure dance, I have chosen a Cholkatta and a Jadiswaram, and then to a traditional Padam of Swati Tirunal. Cholkatta is an opening item. Generally, it is also an invocatory piece where you have a tribute to a deity. Chollus are the bowls or the mnemonics which is rendered by the musician in a particular ragam. It gently opens the pure dance of Mohiniyattam, which is flowing like a river or a fluttering coconut leaf. Now over to the Cholkatta.
Tarinagajam, Tarinagarigudam, Tarinagajam, Tarinagarigudam, Tarinagajam, Tarinagarigudi, Tarinagajam, Tarinagarigudam, Tarinagajam, Tarinagajam, Tarinagadi, Tarinagadim Dadajam, Tadim Dadajam, Tadim Dadam, Sundara Gajavadana, Sangadagara Charana, Ganapadiye, Guna Nidhiye, Vanamaru, Sundara Gajavadana. Sangadagara Charana, Ganapadiye, Guna Nidhiye, Vanamaru.
A Jadiswaram, a exposes more possibilities, more footwork than Cholkata. The Jadiswaram is in the ragam Kharahara Priya, set to Misra Chapatalam, a composition of Changanasheri Madhavan Nambudiri.
Re gama gari dani gari nisa. Re gama gari dani gari nisa. Maga bama daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Maga bama daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Maga bama daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gama gari dani gari nisa. Ma gaba ma daba magari. Gazari.
A padam is generally presented after the main item called the Padavarnam, and in Mohiniyattam we have these compositions of Maharaja Swati Tirunal, the first reformer as far as Mohiniyattam is concerned. His compositions has given Mohiniyattam a literary destination where this Naika, who is drenched in the emotion of love, Sringara, is evident is exposed very beautifully as a synonym of Mohiniyattam. I present a traditional padam, Panimadi Mukhi Bale, in Ahiri Ragam and Mishra Chapatalam.
Panimadi Mukhi Bale Padmanabhani 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 Kanivillai Gayal Kaman Parame 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 Panimadi Mukhi Bale Padmanabhani Kanivillai Gayal Kaman Parame Manasi Dosagam Ayyo Madana Kadana Manasi Dosagam Ayyo Madana Kadana Manasi Dosagam അയ്യോ മദന കഥനമെന്തു മതിരാക്കി ഞാൻ ചെയ്യ മതിരാക്കി ഞാൻ ചെയ്യ മതിരാക്കി ഞാൻ ചെയ്യ വാസികൾക്കെല്ലാം ലോഭനീയനാം ലോകവാസികൾക്കെല്ലാം ലോഭനീയനാം ലോകവാസികൾ എല്ലാം ലോഭനീയനാം ഹിന്ദു ശോകം നീക്കുമാ സുഖി തരുമരം ദേ ശോകം എനിക്കുമാ സുഖി തരുമരം ദേ ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോടും സാഗം ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോടും സാഗം ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോടു 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 സാഗം ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ആകവേ മാമ കാന്തൻ ആശ ஆசுபத மரணோ ஏகாந்தத்தில் என்னோடு சா